Hey guys, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 24. Tomorrow is Christmas. Oh, wow. I'm going to be uploading today. I'm actually going to be uploading, I want to say, two or three videos today. And then tomorrow I'm going to be uploading another 2 or 3 videos. And then the day after Christmas, I'm going to be uploading another 2 or 3 videos. So it's just going to be back to back to back, like bam, bam, bam. And yeah, I just want to show you my outfit of the day. Okay, so I have this jean jacket from The Buckle. I have these, I have these leggings. My mirror's so dirty. I have these leggings from TJ Maxx. I'm going to be changing out of these slippers, but I just wanted to be really comfy. And this top, this gray top, is from Shein. So the camera battery is flashing, so I'm going to have to charge you, put you down for a while, and I will see you guys in a few minutes when you're a little bit more charged. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I did like a little candy cane pattern inspired by a Jeffree Star post on Instagram. There's Xavier. We are about to walk out the door right now to go to see Rise of the Skywalker, I want to say. Yeah, Rise of Skywalker. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit when we're over there.
What's uncut gems? Why is that horse looking? I bet you somebody becomes.
Okay, you guys, so we just made it back home from the movies. We went to go see Rise of Skywalker, like I said. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. I want to say it's my second favorite Star Wars movie. My first has to be, this is very controversial. So my first favorite Star Wars movie has got to be Revenge of the Sith, just because that's where Anakin Skywalker becomes Darth Vader, and in my mind the whole story is about Darth Vader and his family and his lineage and everything, and that's basically the first step towards like the dark side and the prophecy and the Sith and the Jedi and everything. So yeah. So that's why it's my favorite, and this has got to be my second favorite. So yeah, it is that good. I really liked, there were so many things that in the there were so many things in there that I really liked. I'm not gonna tell you anything about the movie to avoid spoilers for those of you who want to see it that haven't yet, but just know it's really, really good. I liked it. But I kind of feel like I should put on a highlight. So I'm going to be going in to the Fenty Beauty Highlight and Chills and just taking my $1 Billion Brushes fan brush and just sweeping that on the high points of my cheeks and on the tip of my nose and a little bit down the bridge. And it's this really pretty icy kind of blue. But here's what my makeup looks like. I had to touch up the green eyeshadow just because it started to settle into my crease, which is not cute. And I kind of feel like I need to bring a shade, like drag a shade underneath, but we'll see. I'm not really that sure yet. I'm probably gonna edit, honestly. I'm probably gonna do a lot more editing, so I will see you guys after that. Okay, you guys, so I just finished with the rough edit of Vlogmas Day 18. Vlogmas Day 18, if that'll even focus. But I just finished I'm in the middle of condensing Vlogmas Day 17, the electric critters, and that should be by the end of today. Vlogmas Day 18 was a late night mukbang from Carl's Jr. And the rough cut of that is all done. So I feel like I'm slowly catching up at last minute, you know, like with homework, how you do it day before. Sometimes that happens, I'm not gonna lie, that has happened to me. But we are headed out to Key West to spend some holiday time this Christmas Eve with my godparents. So I'm not gonna be vlogging over there because I respect their privacy and I know they don't want to be on the internet, especially on camera, you know, on video. So I will be seeing you guys when I get home. I will show you what I got over there because we do unwrap presents. And yeah, I will see you guys in a few hours. Okay guys, so we just made it back home from my uncle's house. and Aunt's house. What am I talking about? But this is how well the makeup held up. I'm really surprised about the eyeliner, that it held up this well. But I'm really just a little bit sad that the eyeshadow did not hold up as well as I thought it would, because it ended up breaking down in my crease, as you can see, and it just got really oily. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen tomorrow, but I'm not going to be doing this makeup look tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a completely different makeup look, but I really need to take a shower because my hair is really gross and greasy. But I also have to finish editing and uploading and rendering and all of that, so it is just really stressful. We're down to the wire. I literally have today, tomorrow, and the 26th to get all this done, I feel like, in order for me to be up there with all the Vlogmas people. But who knows, I might extend all of this into the 27th. Okay, you guys, so I just imported a lot of footage. So there's the Christmas tag for Vlogmas days 19 and 20, and I also have the sledding in San Isabel vlog, so that is day 21. I'm hoping to get all of this edited by tonight and hopefully uploaded by the end of tomorrow. We shall see, but I know that I am going to be extending all of this into Vlogmas, like, day, it's not even going to be Vlogmas anymore. I'm going to be extending Vlogmas in uploads, obviously. I'm going to be extending Vlogmas uploads into December 26th, possibly 27th, depending on how fast I can edit all this. But yeah, wish me luck. I'm going to take a shower, take off all this makeup, and I will see you guys after. Okay, so I got out of the shower. I took off majority of my makeup. I still look, I think it stained my eyes a little bit. Hopefully I'll be able to get that out by the morning. Right now it is a little bit past midnight. I'm going to be going to bed. I'm on my Good Grief shirt from Charlie Brown. And I went to go see Star Wars today, as you saw. So I'm in my Kylo Ren pants. I really like Star Wars. I mean, it's not my favorite franchise. I'm not obsessed with it, but I like it. Honestly, this movie that just came out is my second favorite Star Wars movie. My first favorite Star Wars movie would have to be, oh my gosh, I look insane, do you see that? Like, My first favorite Star Wars movie would have to be Revenge of the Sith, just because, I feel like I already told you this, just because it's where Anakin becomes Darth Vader, and everything starts from there, basically. But I'm going to be brushing out my hair, putting in my retainer, going to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning for Christmas. Oh my gosh. Bye.